John chapter 21, 15 to 18. Because Jesus will restore the person who has fallen but is repentant. So Peter, after he had denied Jesus Christ 3 times, here it goes. So when they had eaten breakfast, this is after the resurrection and Jesus came back on the scene, Jesus said to Simon Peter, Simon, son of Jonah, do you love me more than these? He said to him, yes, Lord. You know that I love you. He said to him, feed my lambs. He said to him again a second time, Simon, son of Jonah, do you love me? He said to him, yes, Lord. You know that I love you. He said to him, feed my sheep. He said to him a third time, Simon, son of Jonah, do you love me? Peter was grieved because he said to him the third time, do you love me? And he said, Lord, you know all things. You know that I love you. Jesus said to him, feed my sheep. Most assuredly I say to you, when you are younger, you girded yourself up and walked where you wished. But when you are old, you will stretch out your hands and another will gird you and carry you where you do not wish. And the Bible tells us further on in this passage that Jesus was talking about what manner Peter was going to die, because Jesus was saying, I am forgiving you, I'm restoring you, and I'm helping you